Outdoors here. We are doing some fishing today. Today, I don't know what we'll basically be fishing for anything, either river or pond. Right now we're at a local river. First time here. I don't even know if it's good. Did a few casts already, and I don't think there's anything. I mean, water's pretty shallow. It's pretty loud here. Show you guys the dam, but till then, I'll see you when I catch a fish. All right, nothing at the first spot. I rated 0 out of 10. Trash plates. Never come here. Never ever come here. Second lake, well, little pond. No good. Over flooded. Hopefully we get on some fish. Catch you guys when catch some fish. Nothing out here, man. Not catching a single fish. Probably gonna snag up right there too. There it is. Oh, I got one. There it is. Seen this guy jumping before too. Nice little fat largie. I think it's spawning. Nice little largie. He's hook's rammed in his mouth. Alright, got it out. Nice little fatty. Look at that. You guys can probably see better. Like this little fatty choked the Senko. Ooh, look at that. About time. Little largie. Little guy right here. On the gulp. Look at that. Tiny little largie. That. Go back, be big. Ah, feels good. Finally a fish. Wow.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Moua Outdoors here. We are doing some crappie fishing today. Picking up some minnows, crappie minnows. This is a local gas station. They sell fuel baits and stuff. But yeah, we're doing some crappie fishing out of town. So I'll catch you guys when we get out of town. Alright. No GoPro footage today, so no like first person view, but went for crappie for a little bit through this. Didn't catch a crappie, caught 2 perches. I didn't really film that. Now I'm gonna go after some slab bluegills, hopefully, and just to catch them. Usually to save worm, rip half, just use half. But if you got it like that, you could use the whole worm. But we are rocking with itty bitty worm and a jig. Got a split shot on. I don't know how heavy, but got a split shot and then just a regular bobber. Today my setup is a Kuma rod for a Shimano reel. And mind you, you don't need all the fancy stuff to catch fish. I just like having it because I think it feels better. Yeah. Can't see my face. I did not turn on the camera, but Holy chunky slab bluegill. Holy shoot. Oh my god. Look at this, boys. Chunk. I don't know how good this view is gonna be, but let's do some fishing, eh? I will be right back. I think my uncle just caught a crappie, so I'll get it and show you guys. It's my uncle's nice little slab crappie. Look at that. Let's go. Hook it. I'm not gonna keep these. These are kind of small. Oh my god. This might be a slab. Oh my god. Here's boys. These are keepers. Look at that. Get a better view for you guys. Look at that. Nice little bluegill. Let's go. Nice little gilly. Back he goes. Maybe we'll catch him next year and he gets bigger. Alright. Nice donkey. Look at that. Nice little fish. Perfect eater. These aren't bad to keep, but me, right now we're catching pretty big ones. These decent ones. Going back. I was out the camera, but this is, well, I think spawner, female, sitting on the bed maybe. It's fat, chunky little guy. Fatty, look at that, this little deal. What a long day of fishing, y'all. Today we went for panfish today, but yesterday the video you guys seen in the beginning was me and my homie went out to do some bass fishing, but we didn't even catch shit. I caught 2 bass in like 12 hours of fishing. But let me know what you guys want to see next for a video, like challenges, type of species you guys want to see, some dog training or whatever. I'm getting kind of sick, so we'll see how much I go out. But yeah, overall it was good. The end of the video that you guys are seeing me just standing around fishing, that was literally like an hour 30 minutes of me casting, not getting a single bite. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Let me know what you guys want to see, what type of species you guys like catching. But yeah, Moua Outdoors here again. Like, subscribe, share the video, and then I'll see you guys next time.